up, guys?
Hey.
What's you guys' names?
Maria. Avondale.
Awesome. What are you guys doing out here?
Ready to skydive. Celebrating our birthday.
Heck yeah, so you're celebrating our birthday. Where are you guys from?
Shelbyville.
Shelbyville? Awesome. I'll see you guys up in the air, alright?
Alright.
So what was your favorite part?
All of it. It was actually fun.
Was it? Was it? Think you're free, my lady. Did you enjoy the free fall part? The whole thing, huh? Well, how'd Mike do? Did he do all right? He looked like he was out of control. Did a couple spins there. Didn't know if he was trying to do that on purpose or not, but
Yeah.
all right.
It was fun.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
All right, perfect. Come back and see us, Skydive Tennessee.
Thank you.